Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about Vertipaq relationship in Power BI. So Vertipaq does mapping relation between columns in the data model in a specific way which allow to evaluate complex and multi-column query. This is very simple, right? This mapping relationship is not same as the table relationship. So table relationship is a different relationship. Vertipaq mapping relationship is a different relationship. This will act as a blueprint that the Vertipaq uses to map the pairs of primary and foreign key across the related tables. So this mapping, Vertipaq relationship, it will act as a blueprint, okay, during the creation of the primary key and the foreign key across the related tables. So let's discuss about how Vertipaq relationship will going to map between or used to map between two tables. So let's suppose these are the two tables. One is the sales table and another is the product table. These two tables are mapped with product key. But how Vertipaq will going to create the relationship? So at the back end, whenever the data is getting stored, it could be possible that Vertipaq store the data with the help of a different encoding mechanism. But here, to make you understand, I have kept the encoding process very simple. So suppose here this hash encoding functionality is getting applied. So what hash encoding does? Hash encoding will going to give the unique or one index to one unique value. So this is the LED TB which is present, which is the unique value. It is assigned index 0. This is another unique value which is assigned 1. Here is the another, here is the another, here is the another. That's why index is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what is the line number on which this index's value is present? This is line number 1, this is line number 2, this is line number 3, this is line number 4, this is line number 5. The record could be millions, but to make you very simple, I have just kept only 5 records. Now, how it will getting stored and how Vertipaq engine will going to make the relationship. So this is the 19th. Okay, this is 19. 19 is associated with which product ID? This 90 is coming from this sales table, and this product ID is 19. This 19 is associated with LED TV, where the indexes is given to 0, and what is the line number? The line number is 1. Let's discuss about 179. This is the 179. The product in the product lookup table, the 179 is present here. This is one index value is given to 2, and what is the line number? It is present line number at 3. So how the relationship getting created? This is the product ID which is present in the sales table in the product, but in the product line the number of rows is 3. Let's discuss about 183. 183 is present here, but where is the 183 present is here. The product name is mobile, index is 3 and the line is 4. That's why the relationship where it is created, the value is 183 and the product line is 4. So in this way, Vertipaq engine makes a relationship. Whenever the data is very complex, Vertipaq engines create a mapping which could be very complex. But to make you understand, I have taken a very simple example to demonstrate how Vertipaq relationship happens in Power BI. Let's discuss a scenario whenever we are going to execute our measures. So suppose here what we are just doing, we are calculating uh, we are just filtering out the sales of LED TV. This is the AP quantity sold. Sorry, total number of quantities sold of the product LED TV. This is the total number of quantity which is sold. We are filtering out based on the product lookup the quantity which is, sorry, the product quantity, and the product name is LED TV. Now first it will going to search the LED TV in the product dictionary to find out the number of product lookup. So one dictionary table gets created because we have used the hash encoding to store this product lookup data, and it is also called as a dictionary. That's why first it will figure it out what is the uh, uh, find out the line of the number of the product lookup. So this is the LED TV. What is the line number? So the line number is 1. This is the first step. Second step, it uses relationship to find all the rows where product ID is 1. So in the sales table, what it will going to do, it will just look what all the product which has the line number 1. So this is the line number 1, this is the line number 1, this is the line number 1, and this is the line number 1. So there are 4 products which are present in the sales table which has line number 1. Once Power BI identified, then it returns a data cache containing a filtered cell table and sends the formula engine. So what it will going to do, it will just do this data, put into a data cache and return to the formula engine. And in the data cache, what is the value? This is the product ID and this is the total quantity. So it will going to identify, the DAX query will evaluate. So STF4 formula engine evaluates the AP quantity sold, measures against the data case. So this DAX query will going to execute based on the data which is generated by uh, the storage engine in the form of a data cache which is supplied to the formula engine. Formula engine evaluates the data cache, and whatever the value it is, it will be supplied to the measures output. So here the total quantity sold is 153. So in this way, Vertipaq maintain a relationship, and whenever there is a DAX query which is going to do a certain kind of a calculation where the relationship is required. So in this way, which we have just seen with the help of this pictorial representation, with the help of this Vertipaq relationship, formula engine will going to calculate or evaluate any kind of a DAX query which has a relationship between 2 or more tables or a column. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.